I want to show you how mixing metals quietly runs the world. From the ring on your finger to the wings on a plane, pure gold sounds fancy, but it's actually pretty soft. If I made a wedding ring out of pure gold, 24 karat, meaning 24 parts out of 24 are gold, it would scuff and wear away with everyday life. That's why most gold jewelry is an alloy. Gold mixed with tougher metals like copper, silver, zinc. Go to 18 karat, and now it's 18 parts gold, 6 parts other metals, harder, more durable, and still very gold. Now take that idea from everyday to extreme. Airplanes. Wings face massive stress during flight. Pure aluminum is light, but not strong enough. Add magnesium and copper and you get duralumin, an aluminum alloy about 5 times stronger than pure aluminum. Same base metal, radically different performance. Inside the body, alloys keep people moving. Artificial joints, hips, knees take a beating. Plastics provide smooth motion, and titanium alloys bring strength, corrosion resistance, biocompatibility. That combination lets someone walk without pain. Modern alloys can even remember their shape. Nitinol, nickel plus titanium, appears in glasses, frames, medical devices. Bend it, twist it, and with a little heat, or even body temperature, it snaps back to its original form. And then there are the classics, brass and bronze. Brass is copper mixed with zinc. Change the amounts. Add a little lead, aluminum, manganese, silicon, and you get different brasses for different jobs. That's why brass doesn't have one melting point. It has a range, because its recipe can vary. Bronze is copper and tin, sometimes with extras like phosphorus, aluminum. Vary the mix, and you change how it casts, how it wears, even how it sounds. So, alloys are like playlists for metals. Mix the tracks, tune the vibe, and you get the right performance for the job. From a ring that lasts a lifetime, to a wing that survives a storm, to a joint that gives a life back, small changes in composition make a massive difference. That's the quiet power of alloys.
What is pure gold's carat value?